Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view the items of the line of business within a lead and how to specify the particulars of the same. Once the user has navigated to the Leads app, he or she can view the line of businesses to be offered within the lead by various ways. The user can either open Details View page and click the View Hierarchy option present between the options, or the user can click on the Edit Lead option present in the Detail view and navigate to the Line of Business tab. Once the line of businesses is displayed, the user can check the line of businesses to be offered and can fill in the total value, the FTE counts, and other accounting specifics and submit the same. Once done, the user can view the same within the View Hierarchy option and can specify the per hour rate inside as well. Thank you for watching.